with the application of multilingual or the MPP and MLE and by preserving local languages. Let's first discuss the disadvantage by abolition of multilingual or the MPD-MLE. First is because we might our identity might be lost. Our
Mahulog ka sa... Ako may kukanda.
our identity might be lost. And by preserving MTD and MLE as an individual, I firmly believe that it is important to implement this by preserving this, we can have a social inclusivity where it is the foundation of a fair and just more equitable society, wherein people might preserving our right. So I stand here for MTD and MLE to be implemented because I do believe that this law or this law would help young ones to especially so let us work together to have
Manaan.
so let us work together to have a better and a brighter future for our young ones. Thank you. Thank you.